I'm Alex Stephens, or Alexander Stephens, and I'm a post-production apprentice on Casualty. I was born up in the northwest of England, in the Lake District, but I've always had family in Wales. I'm a musician, I love to play guitar, and I came down to Cardiff originally for uni, but I didn't like it and managed to get this instead. So I was at uni doing software engineering, except I didn't enjoy it, so I left and was just working in a shop before I got this. So I'd like to learn more about the ADR and Foley side. I've sat in with Andrew, who does it quite a bit, and it's a lot of fun. It seems like a lot of fun, so that's where I want to go next. And so far I've been learning how to ingest the rushes, so how to get the footage from the shoot to the editors. I mean, the main thing for me is that I want to just be a reliable member of the team. I want to prove that I'm a good worker and prove that I fit in.